Hello everybody, this is Old Soldier. Today we're going to do a review on the Hybridlight flashlight. I received this 7 or 8 years ago for a gift for Father's Day. It's worked great for me. I think it's a great flashlight. It's lightweight, it's between 4 and 5 ounces. The charging time to fully charge it in the sun is between 5 and 6 hours. It floats in water. Dropped. It's waterproof, water resistant, and it also can be used as a charging device. It has a USB port and a smaller charging port as well. I've used this weekly, if not daily, for years. I've taken this out on hunting trips, and it has been good from in temperature ranges over the hundreds to, excuse me, down into the teens, and even, I believe, on a few occasions, single digit below zero. There's two power settings on it, low and high. I think the high is around 150 lumens, and low, I believe, is 30. Charging time, according to the specs on high, is 5 to 6 hours for battery life, and depending upon where you get the specs from, 15 to 21 hours on low. So I'm going to do a couple tests. What I'm going to do is put it on high and see how long the battery life is. It's fully charged right now. And then I'm going to recharge it and see how long it takes or how much it'll recharge a device, a cell phone. So that's what we're going to do. One thing I neglected to mention, the flashlight also has a strobe function, where if you hold the power button down, it goes into a strobing action. And here we are in another portion of the Old Soldier production or video production unit, otherwise known as my basement. And we will do a timed count to see, in fact, just how long the battery life lasts on high setting. Let's see. Two hours. 4 hours. 6 hours. 7 hours, you can see that the low power light is blinking. 8 hours, you can tell the flashlight is significantly dimmer and it looks like it's about ready to lose power completely. So on high beam, the flashlight produced some sort of light for at least 8 hours. You could tell the beam was diminished, but it still produced light. I stopped at 8 hours. The next test we're going to do, although far from being highly conclusive, is we're going to use the battery to charge a device, in this case a cell phone, that's completely at 0%, and see how far it'll charge it, or if it'll charge it completely. Alright, slight change of plans. I had to switch out cellular devices because the other one was charged and this one is not. But let's see, right now, a few minutes ago, it was completely uncharged. I just started charging it and it's at 3%. Let's see how far it charges it, or if it charges it up to 100%. Alright, in kind of a surprising turn of events, I plugged in my phone to the flashlight to charge it up. It got it to 4%, and then it quit charging, and I cannot get the flashlight to light again, and it doesn't look like it's charging. So it got the phone up to 4%, and that depleted the power. Now, this is a 7 or 8 year old battery, and I just used it. It was completely recharged. So I don't know whether this is the age or whether it's just a very poor charger, but those are my results. We are trying to charge a second separate device with the flashlight. As you can see, we're at 88%. I just plugged it in and we started at 86%, so it seems to be charging. We'll see if it can take it to 100%. When I started charging the phone was at 84%. The flashlight quit providing power when the phone was charged at 93%. So it charged 9%. A little bit of a charge, not great, could be enough to save you. This flashlight is several years old, and I'd give it a A grade as a flashlight and perhaps a C plus or maybe just a C as a phone charger. Granted, excuse me, granted it is several years old, and that is the performance that it reflects. That is my review of the Hybridlight flashlight. This is Old Soldier out.